Alright, pulling out onto Rancho, California from Moraga. Just driving down Rancho, California, down toward the target. Got a pulse of 12,640 out the passenger window. So I'm going to go ahead and attempt to see what may cause that. The idea here is how much is too much? How many towers are too many towers? How much radiation is too much radiation? Or is it all safe? Okay. Even here at the light, we're scrolling through 3000s. Via Las Colinas. Okay, 11,000, oh, 18,000, 17,000, 21,700, 22,550. Okay. As much as I hate to stay in this stuff, I really want to find out for everybody's benefit. Because while I'm just driving through here, there's people who have to live in this area who have no idea what they're being exposed to. And I'm not seeing any towers on this side. There we go. Okay, 29,490. Oh, I think I found it, right? Is that it up there? Come on, zoom, buddy. Could that possibly be the source? And actually, there's more on top of these buildings. And as I understand it, a lot of times these cell panels are actually hidden in buildings. I don't know what's up in that thing. That's seems a little conspicuous, but I see panels up here. So it's very well it could be hidden anywhere, but definitely on top of this building here and over here behind this tree. So once again, 29,490 was a max pulse, just turning around at the gas station. And oh, that's odd. That's a medical plaza where sick people go to get better. Up on the hill.